guys, welcome back to another episode of Mascara Monday. Today we're going to be talking about the Sleek Full Fat Lash Mascara. I got this in my Walgreens beauty box, I believe it was. You can also get this at Ulta. I'm looking at the Ulta website right now and it is $8.99. And it says it creates voluminous, thick looking lashes. The brush has a ball-shaped tip which captures and coats even hard to reach lashes. So let's get into this. Okay, so my thoughts on this mascara, total fail. First off, I have falsies on. This is not the mascara. This is one of these mascaras where I literally just, I didn't even bother applying it to my other eye because it's just that bad. So the first flaw is the design of the brush. So first off, there's like a huge ball at the end and it's really hard to get into the tube because the ball is so big. The one time when I went to put it in, it slipped and got all over my fingers. And then when you pull it out, because it's so big, product gets everywhere on the outside. And then I don't like these little ball things. I've tried a couple of different mascaras that have the little balls on the ends of them, and I don't like them. The product doesn't even stick to the actual brush. When you take it out of the tube, it gets all over the outside of the tube and like hardly any on the brush. So I just applied like 2 coats to one eye and I was like, okay, this is doing nothing. Nah, it's a fail. So yeah, I would definitely say that this mascara is a fail, and to stay away from it, I definitely wouldn't recommend it. So that is it for this episode of Mascara Monday. As always, if there's a mascara you want to see featured on this series, just comment down below and let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you guys in my next video.